much radiation. We'll have to go around. Follow me and keep low. Careful. There's pockets of radiation all over this area. If you absorb too much, you're a dead man. Stand by. We've been spotted. Take them out. Dogs in the tall grass. That was close. You lead the charmed life, Lieutenant. Move. Out in the church tower, and the patrol coming from the north. Let's move up for a better view. Do you have a shot on the lookout? Beautiful. Target approaching from the north. Take him out quietly, or just let him pass. Tango down. On me. Coast is clear. You hear that? Enemy helicopter! Get down! Stay in the shadows. Let's go. Get down, now. Easy, lad. There's too many of them. Let them go. Keep a low profile and hold your fire. Try to anticipate their paths. If you have to maneuver, do it slow and steady. No quick movements. Looks like they've already eliminated the men they couldn't buy out. Let's move up for a better view. Taking them out without alerting the rest isn't going to be easy. But then again, neither is your call. Take cover. The word stealth doesn't mean anything to you, does it? Move up. Stay in the shadows. Stay back. Stay low. He's mine.
Oi, Susie!
That's how it's done. Let's go. Hold up. Wait here. We should wait a bit. Let's see if the guard makes another pass. Patrol coming this way. Stay back. Tango down. Forward area